She's just finished her law degree, which I congratulated her on. And then she told me she didn't know anything about voting. And I know that this is the norm for so many of us. So many Aucklanders don't understand the difference between the local government budgets and responsibilities and central. Your voice is so powerful. Like, it is so, so powerful. And as a wahine, as Māori Polynesian, we need to continue to put ourselves up for all the top jobs in this country. We've got the skills and the attributes, so we've got to just keep going. Make sure, first of all, you get out and vote to have your say, because it is honestly the most powerful thing you can do for this election. And if you want to see the first woman to be the mayor of our amazing super city, vote for me, Kerrin Leoni. My vision for Auckland is for us to become a world-class city.